What's up? You got the Boston Trucker here. I'm on I-90 westbound, Massachusetts Turnpike, on my way to Sutton, Massachusetts. Gonna go check out some big bunks. Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, you guys remember this truck from my last big bunk video? Well, Dave just moved out of this one into a brand new Western Star about 2 weeks ago. Just made his first trip in it to California and Oregon and back. He's about to head out to California again. So let's go check it out. Wow.
This is a 2002 W9.
2002?
2002. Frame off restoration.
Yep.
The sleeper is a 2007.
How big's the sleeper?
This is a 144. There is, yeah. A wet shot that.
Well, that's, yeah, I'm gonna be here today. That's what I've been looking for, a fucking vacuum. I cleaned it, the bunks. I have to do the floor, I told you what happened.
It's got the old dashboard.
Yeah.
I love this old dash.
I don't know where the hell I was at, so I was out west coming back. And I left the heat on one night.
You have to go in the back.
And the motherfucker, one of the candles, the glass broke, and it melted all over the fucking floor.
Just with the heat up?
Yeah, the big truck stove that was hot.
Residual.
It's okay. It's a big bunk.
Second generation, Mike.
That sounds good.
It's alive.
All trucks should sound that way.
This is something that you spend a lot of time and a lot of elbow grease to keep up.
Billy Robinson drives this one. He just got off the road. Usually he's got it nice and clean, but just came through a snowstorm. It's also a 144-inch bunk on it.
I'm surprised.
I get underglow too, so
Yeah.
I go down the road.
And I like those top lights that I got the. Yeah. Load lights. Yeah.
Oh yeah? Can you put the lights on?
Well, those are the load lights up top.
Oh, those are nice. Oh, that looks nice. Where? Oh yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
Only you're gonna notice that.
There's one of those in the office.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's awesome.
Well, you got a lot of them up there.
Oh, this thing looks like cat's ass going down the road.
Billy, what's it take to drive a truck like this? Can anybody just get in a truck like this? Any driver with a Class A?
I can, Dave can't.
Dave can't. He's still new. He's learning though.
I don't
He
tell anybody
needs
when I hit it.
he needs a mentor like you.
Race against time to save the war's most innocent victims.
There goes another one. There she is. Brand new Western Star and a brand new trailer. 144-inch ARI sleeper. It's blue. It's a nice color blue. I love those fenders on it. The trailer is absolutely beautiful. It's got Thermo King on it. Lots of lights. Look at the back of this thing glow. Wow. Well, if you're gonna drive over the road, this is the way to do it. Awesome. Awesome truck.
Plates today, sir.
So you got a fifth wheel pull,
Yep.
handbrake.
Yep.
You said heated seats?
Heated seats, both sides. Several controls for lumbar. I haven't figured out all the controls, to be honest with you.
So how many miles? You got 10,000 miles on this.
10,000. Got it with 2,800. We brought it from Springfield, Missouri. We bought 3 Western Stars there. I had the orange one, and once I've had a big sleeper, I just can't seem to.
So how is this compared to that orange with the Peterbilt?
Well, the orange one is like a real, you feel the truck, you feel the exhaust, you feel the rumble. This is more a Cadillac kind of thing.
Yep.
You know, it's an automatic, which is new to me. Not new, but new.
Where is the automatic?
So it's right here. I can go to manual mode and control my shifting,
Yep.
which in the wintertime I want to have control of it. But it really doesn't, it's not that big of a deal once you've gotten used to it. And most of the big bunks now do.
Yep.
So you have lots of storage as far as up there in the back. Plenty of lights, plenty of extras to add on. Freezer, I've got lots of frozen foods.
Look at that.
Microwave foods.
Wait, I want to see what you got. What you got in there?
I got asparagus. I got vegetables. I got
Some healthy food here.
I got some
Beef lo mein,
lo mein,
high in salt.
just different stuff. You know,
What do you got in the refrigerator?
refrigerator. There's yogurt. There's
Dude, you said
cheese.
refrigerator. I usually say refrigerator too, and my kids get on me.
Probably because it's not Boston-y enough.
That's awesome.
But
That's awesome.
meat. You know, I try to eating healthier now that I have a big refrigerator.
Yep.
And I got my coffee creams for my coffee.
What's this right here? Full size microwave?
Now this is a microwave convection oven, so you can cook. You can cook in there.
Yep.
You can air fry. It's an
Open it
air
up.
fryer as well. Now I need to open.
Oh, you haven't used it yet.
No. You know,
Cool.
you're just
Yeah.
getting used to everything, but
I like the storage area you got above here.
I think that's mostly for pots and pans.
Look at that. You got some nice hooks on here.
But see, the air fryer, this is new. They just came out with this, so you know everybody's buying the air fryers.
Yeah.
So this is an air fryer, it's a microwave, and an oven, all in
Wow.
one. So it's got all. I mean, you don't need to have this now. If you want to cook on a skillet or boil some water, excuse that new piece. You just open this up.
Wow.
And that's-
Electric?
That's the touch screen.
Is that an electric range?
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
So just hit power.
So you got a nice window here.
I don't open them much.
TV.
Now these are the. I think I told you this.
You got
earlier.
plenty of storage in here. Look
Yeah,
at all these cabinets down here.
You know, if you open up one,
Yep.
you'll see there's, you know, a lot of this is if you break down on the road or don't have any food,
Right.
you've got something, you know.
Right.
And then paperwork, plates,
Yep.
you know, cleaner stuff. This here is the entertainment center. So these are all the remotes. Some of them.
So what do they do?
I don't know yet.
That's a lot of remotes. Can you just get one that works them all?
You know, it reminds me of coming to your house back in the 90s, and your father had this piece of wood
Yep.
with all his remotes. I'm like,
On one piece of wood,
this is
yeah.
ridiculous.
Well, maybe you need a piece of wood.
And now I'm thinking, I wish I had that set up. But you know, so you had the JBL system, which these speakers here,
Oh,
you know,
nice.
hooks to the stereo system in the front and to the TV. And then you have, this is your satellite system,
Okay.
and this is a smart TV, so you can.
So you don't know how to use it then?
No, I gotta go on.
Smart
page.
people would know how to use that.
And I'm certainly not in that category.
Yeah.
But Right now, I'm in the middle of trying to figure out where to put everything, because if I put food up here, I can't see it
Right.
because I'm not tall enough, you know. So I put my clothes up there.
Yeah.
But I really like.
Are there closets in here for your clothes?
Well,
what's this over here?
This here is kind of a closet. I can take this out.
What's this down here?
This is part of the furnace.
Okay.
Now, on my last orange truck, this was the heater and the AC.
Yeah.
This one is an upgrade that they just did. This was an upgrade where I run heat right from the bottom. So
Oh, okay.
now I can.
Oh yeah, down there on the vents.
Yep.
Okay.
I can control my heat and AC.
Another remote?
I did figure this one out.
Oh, good.
But I haven't ran this yet.
Okay.
Because I'm just using the heat.
Right.
I think I started it once and it blew me out of here. This is another fan control.
Okay.
Just if you want to.
Now what are all these right here?
So you've got an inverter. You've got your power. You can see what you're inverting to amps.
Yep.
Right here. This is
Wow.
the neat thing. So, well, this is your pump. This is your hot water here. This is your block heater.
Pump is for what? Toilet?
Pump is for the shower, the toilet,
Yep.
the sink.
Okay.
This is
Oh, nice.
under lights, and then you have your blue lights if you like them.
Yeah, those are nice.
So
Oh,
there's
look at that.
lights-
Wait, put that on.
lights
Wow.
up there.
A lot of lights in here.
Now that wasn't on there when we first got the truck, and that was an add-on.
Okay.
So when you stop the truck, you don't idle a Detroit that much. It's not good for them. So you just hit this button, it flashes, and then it comes on.
Oh, wow.
And then you'll see everything come on. Now this stays on all the time.
Yep.
Then you go to auto and hit that button. It'll shut off. When I don't have all the lights on and the truck's not running, I'm just running the heat. It's not like an APU. This is a big generator.
Yep.
So it'll shut down. So I usually leave that on.
Now the bunk area also doubles as a kitchenette area, right?
Yeah, I don't use it, but you can lift this up.
Come on, do it. Let's see it.
All right.
People at home are curious. Not everybody has a big bunk, you know.
Yeah, well, get old like me.
Oh, look at that.
So there is a flap up here, which is
Yeah.
kind of cool because it hides the bedding.
Okay.
I'm not going to do that for you, Mike, because I don't like you that much. When you bring it all the way up, the flap
Yeah.
goes over.
And there are pads for the seats and stuff. I
Yep,
see over
there's a
here.
pad
Yeah.
right here.
That's awesome. You got
And
table.
Then over here, you've got plugins for all your electronics.
Look at that.
See how that
Oh yeah,
slides
look
up?
at this. That is awesome.
All these have really deep wells.
Wow. This is a home away from home. You never have to go home when you got a truck like this.
Well, you still want to get out of it.
You only go once in a while.
Get out
Wow.
of it.
And now, can I check out?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Dave, you're out of toilet paper, just so you know.
No, I have it inside.
Okay. This is the shower.
Yep. And there's a lake.
Shower. Oh wow. It doubles as a toilet. It's like a Toto toilet almost.
Yeah, I mean it's
pretty cool.
It has its own water supply.
Roomy enough.
Yeah, bigger than the orange one.
Yeah. Let me ask you a question.
Yeah. And this here is your thermostat. If you
Hold
want
on.
to leave.
Is there anything better than having your own shower on the road?
No.
It can't be. You can't beat it, right? Once you have one, that's it. You're done. You have to have it.
Everybody's complaining about sitting. I'm in the shower, brushing my teeth, making coffee.
You're showering at a customer. You don't have to go to a
Right.
truck stop.
I'm sitting at if I go to a truck stop that I can find a place that I like,
Yeah.
that I can fit in all right, that's cool. It's
Yeah.
the point of getting where you're not sticking out so far.
Right.
But when you're there and you can do everything from watch satellite TV to anything you want to watch.
Yeah.
And it's got a DVR, so it stores
Oh,
all
nice.
the stuff for me. It's just got everything. You know, you got your little kitchenette here, but you can also brush your teeth, get dressed up in
Yeah.
the morning. Obviously, I didn't do this morning.
Storage. It's storage. Everyone. The door's shut tight. Wow.
Well, it doesn't have a rattle in it. You know what I mean?
Well, I know that's a big thing, especially with you. You don't like rattles going
I
down
don't
the
like
road.
rattles. I don't like.
You'll spend hours trying to find them.
Yeah,
I'm the same way.
I went in my old Pete today and did a run while they were redoing the computer and this,
Yeah.
and I was like, how did I deal with that? And I loved it, you know, and
Yeah.
I still do. But that's truck.
Yeah.
And now I'm old and I want comfort.
This is like a motorhome
So this is
with a 53-foot trailer behind it.
right.
So what's it take to drive a truck like this?
Common sense, completely.
Yep.
I mean, know where you're going, understand your limitations, but it's no different than somebody who knows where their trailer is at all the time.
Yep.
I mean, I back this up like you would your regular truck.
Yep.
It's just something that just comes to you.
Yeah.
And as we've talked,
Yep.
you're natural at it or you're not. If I wasn't going to California tonight, I would have you drive it. No
Next
doubt
time.
about it.
Next time I'll take it for a ride.
And you would find that, yeah, it's a little in traffic, you know, it's a little bigger,
Yep.
but it doesn't faze me.
Yeah.
People say, well, how can you get in? If it's humanly possible, I'm going in.
Yeah.
So,
You're either a natural or not, like you said.
no, yeah.
You'll make it work.
Billy that you met, he's got it. I
He's
mean,
a natural. Yeah.
he's a natural. Mike Grandel, he's a natural.
Yep.
But not anybody can get in it, but not anybody can get in a truck. So
That's true. Well, all right. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun. Me and Dave go way back to the Bud Meyer truck line days. We started orientation together in 1992. We were both driving cab overs back in the day. We were both young guns. Now we're a bunch of old timers that are in our early 50s. We still got a long way to go in this career. But I hope you enjoyed that. Hit that subscribe button, like, share my content, and we'll catch you in the next video. I'll have another one coming up soon. Thanks everybody for your support.